Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you where to find the serial number of this laptop. So to check the serial number of your laptop, you gotta look at the back cover of your device. So let me close the lid and move the back cover closer to you so you can see it. And right here you'll find the serial number which is written like as SN, which stands for serial number, and next to SN you can see MP2 P9L TV, and that's the serial number of this laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.